Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how to clear search history on Reddit. First, let's go into the app, and the steps that I'm going to show you how to clear search history on Reddit applies for both Android and iOS device. First, you're going to tap on your profile photo in the top left hand corner. From there, you're going to tap on history. It's right below saved. And from here, you can see my search history or my browsing history. Now to clear it, you'll simply tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner. And you will tap on clear history. And that's how to delete your search history on Reddit app, whether you're using an Android or an iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.